press every single button on the keyboard. So let's start with escape, and we'll go to F1, F2. I'm going to be rating them all actually also. Actually, never mind, that would take a long time. Then I'm going to go to F3. Oh, that was a nice press. F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then let's press this button. We have the mute and the unmute, and then it goes like this to change the volume. Very good. These are some very nice presses, actually. Let's do number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many keys here. That was a very, very nice press. And very, very good. Very good. Excellent. Absolutely amazing. Very good. Now let's press shift. Alright, that's caps lock actually. Here we go. And then we'll press this one. Then we'll press this one. And this one. And oh, G. Double press. Wow, that's good. H, J, K, L, very, very good. Now let's see the screen. Oh, wow. A bunch of random garbage. This was definitely worth watching, wasn't it? Aren't you just so glad you watched this?